how to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and here make sure Play Store or App Store and make sure your Spotify is updated. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, or you can't find an update here or something like that, then just go back. Now go to settings and go to storage, then click clean up. Now make sure you have enough space. After that, go back to App Store or Play Store, uninstall your Spotify and install it again, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.